Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy. 'Cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Kia Cole and I'm back with a video. So before we jump into this video, I just want to say hello to all of my new viewers. If you are viewing my channel for the first time, just make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down below. And if you are returning, hey y'all. So today we're going to be doing a DIY on how to clean your very own headboard. So I wanted to do this video because I needed to clean my headboard, of course, and I thought, why not? So today we're going to be doing that using all of these products that you should have in your home. And if you don't, they're very inexpensive items, so it should be okay. So I know it says that this video can be used for a headboard, but you can also use it for any kind of couches or furniture that you have that does have this type of material. But just please make sure you test out a small portion first before you go ahead and do the entire thing, because we don't want to mess anything up. So yeah, I also want to give a shout out. If you guys are feeling my headband, these are one of my new items that will be added to my website, artkey.com. Just make sure you guys go ahead and head over and check it out. It will be posted up very shortly. And yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started, you guys. Stay tuned. Okay, so like I said before, the items that we're going to be using are all items that you guys should have in your household. So we have Dawn soap, we have Peroxide, baking soda. I have a spray bottle that I use for my hair, but it really doesn't matter as long as it sprays. And this one I just put like a little bit of water in there. I'll have the measurements in the description below, but I'm just going to put them inside the bottle, but I'll have specific measurements in the description below. I don't know if those are accurate measurements, but you can feel free to use those measurements if you want. I also have some gloves. Being that we're mixing products, we don't want to mess anything up, so we have some gloves and a sponge. You can also use a brush to scrub the fabric, but I don't want to mess up the fabric, and I had a sponge in my house, so I figured why not use this, because you can also use the rough side on the other side. So yeah, this is all you pretty much need, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and get started. When you're doing this, like I said, if you guys want us to test it out, I showed you many different little spots that we could probably try first. If you don't want to do the whole solution base, just to see if it works, and you could do like a little test job. But when you're doing this, so I'm going to start on this side first, and you want to make sure that you're going to do this whole entire board. You're not just going to just do this one stain, because what's going to happen is when you wet that one stain, then after that you're going to have a watermark. So we're going to clean this entire headboard. Yeah. So you want to make sure that you start from one side so you know where you left off, and work your way all the way through. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray it first to make sure the area is nice and damp. And we'll just focus on this top area first. So we're going to go ahead and spray that. And what I'm going to do is take my sponge, and don't forget to wear your gloves. And I'm just going to move this around in circular motion. We also have like a pencil mark right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but we can see that pencil mark comes off as well. I honestly don't think it's going to come off because I think that's a Sharpie marker. I'm going to move in a little bit closer so you guys can see. This is the area that I was talking about. We're going to see if this will lift off. I don't think so, because I believe that's the Sharpie marker. And here's another area where we have a tough stain. So you guys don't forget those two areas. And we also have a little piece of dirt up here as well. So I'm going to go back and visit all three of those areas so you guys can see if this actually worked. Alright you guys, so that's all the time I have for today. I hope this video was useful. Just leave a comment below if this was helpful to you, or if you have any other tips that someone else can use, just drop them down below. But other than that, thank you guys for watching my channel. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you can see whatever videos I post. Peace.